All right, so together you boys are going to come up with a narrative story. So it's going to be a story. Okay, it's going to have 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is just going to be about the people and the place. Okay, the second paragraph, there's going to be a problem or an issue. And then the final paragraph is going to be a solution to that issue. So let's do paragraph 1 together. I want you each to think of somebody that you like. It could be a friend, it could be a family member. Do you guys have that person in your mind?
No. Yeah.
Okay. Trent, will you tell me who is in your mind?
You know.
Who?
Dominic and Derek.
One person.
Okay. First. I said.
Which one?
The first.
Okay, so Dominic.
No, I meant second.
Derek. Okay. Gavin, who's your person?
Dominic.
Dominic. Okay, now we need 2 more people. Trent, who's another person besides Dominic and Derek?
Me.
Okay, Trent. Gavin.
Oliver.
Oliver. Okay, so now we have our people. How would we describe Derek? Give me a personality. You both can answer.
Like, friendly.
He's friendly. Okay. What about Dominic? And it doesn't have to be like real life. Like you can make one of the people the protagonist and one person the antagonist. Do we remember the difference?
I know.
Okay.
Dominic is...
So the protagonist is our friendly, like good character, and then our antagonist is usually the one who introduces the problem. So one of the 4 of these need to be the problem starter. So who do we want to be the problem starter?
Me.
Trent. Okay. So we're going to call you the antagonist. Okay. All right. How would we want to describe Dominic and Oliver?
Dominic we would describe him as strong and Oliver is smart.
Strong and smart. Okay. Anything else we want to put
Can I?
to describe our characters?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay, then let's move on to the setting.
Now,
So, where does our story take place?
On Neptune.
Neptune.
No, next to a cliff.
Neptune next to a cliff. Love it. Neptune
Next to a cliff, but the cliff
next
to a cliff.
cliff.
But the cliff is on all sides of us.
Okay. All right. So now we have our first paragraph. We have our characters and our setting. What's going to be our problem? What's going to
We
happen?
need to get across. But we can't because it's...
So you need to cross the cliff.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
But we can't because...
Cross cliff.
But we can't.
Okay.
Because of the cliff is round all around us.
Okay. And you can't cross island cliff. Cliff. Now you have me adding a T to land, you silly Trent. Okay.
And there's a bridge, but since Trent's
There is a bridge. Okay, bridge.
But then Trent breaks it since he's the antagonist.
The antagonist
No,
breaks the bridge.
I don't
Okay.
want me to break the bridge.
Well, somebody's got to be the antagonist.
Gav taps his toe on the bridge.
I'm not in the story.
And then wait, no.
Okay, so the bridge.
Dominic taps the bridge and then the bridge
Okay, that can be
falls.
your story. That's fine. Okay, so the bridge is broken.
By Dominic.
In your story, it could be by Dominic. Okay. All right. Anything else we want to add to our conflict or our problem?
Can we switch the antagonist out?
Yes, you can switch the antagonist for whatever person you want in your story, Trent.
Okay.
Okay, we can leave this and then we can come back to it. Let's move to our last paragraph. The climax, which is the height of the story, the excitement. What happens at the height of this story and how is it resolved?
Oliver figures out how to build the bridge,
No.
and then Dominic tries to put it together.
No, we
Oliver
tries to put back together the half of the bridge, and then we run across and jump.
Okay. All right, so Oliver,
In lands.
what did you say? I'm sorry, Gavin.
Oliver figures out how to
We need keywords, remember?
rebuild
Figures.
the bridge.
Build. Okay, and then you said Dominic.
Puts the bridge together.
Dominic
Puts the bridge together halfway, and then
together.
then we run across and land.
Okay.
And we jump and run across and then land perfectly.
Jump, run.
Across and land perfectly.
Okay. Jump, run, land. Okay, and let's give our readers to this story like a really awesome ending. What happens once you guys cross the other side of the bridge?
We jump off of
A
the
giant chicken appears.
and then we ride it all the way back.
Okay.
And then we ride it to the sun, and then we ride to the moon,
A giant chicken
and then to Saturn. Actually,
ride. And you guys can figure out where you want to ride it to. Okay.
to go to Earth.
So this is our story sequence chart.
Wait, no, to go to Earth.
And now we get to put together the story.
Wait, Mom, there's
I
two-
will scribe. You don't have to fill in all of these. You can add more. I have a lot of lines on this so that if we need it, we can. But you don't have to fill them up. Good job, boys.
Can you read it to us?